Nikunj, today all eyes will be on Manappuram Finance as well, because the RBI is seen to be back in action, and good news coming in for Manappuram Finance as subsidiary. Asirvad has been a green knot by the RBI regulator. How do you see this, and how big a positive is for Manappuram?
See, RBI, whatever restrictions they are coming out, I think the clarification and in terms of the next step of action also seems to be quite quick now. There used to be a time when there was an RBI diktat which came largely because of regulatory issues. Then by the time the next decision was taken on it, it could take months, it could take quarters. But currently you have to really appreciate RBI that wherever they are raising a red flag, whether it is in case of IIFL Finance or whether it is in case of the subsidiary of Manappuram Asirvad, the RBI action has been quite prompt if the proactive measures have been taken by the bank or by the NBFC. So that I think is something which is very commendable what RBI is doing. It is just that the engagement is getting far more deeper and it is really accelerating. That's one. Second, specifically here, look, when the news came out, the stock got hammered. And because the stock is an FNO, the impact in the near term always will be magnified. Gold finance per se has done rather well for itself, because there is one category where the pain like MFI or pain what other NBFCs are experiencing, which are rural facing, is not there, because gold in a sense has got a very, and gold prices have also gone higher, so that in a sense has been a good time for some of these gold NBFCs. Because this clarity has come through and because markets are weak and nobody was expecting such a quick resolution, and because Manappuram Finance is in FNO, I think the stock reaction today could be exaggerated. But because of this entire RBI diktat, the earnings for the quarter gone by would be lost, and it will take for some time for them to really come back and get the disbursement to start it again, which means for this quarter also the earnings upside may not be there. So what I see in the stock is that a reaction today, and then the stock may just hit a patch like DMart did. DMart reacted to its quarterly dispatch, quarterly update, it went up by 15%, and then in a sense it plateaued out. I expect a similar kind of a reaction to Manappuram Finance today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.